Hi everybody. Today I've got a bunch of new things that I've created for my Bits and Bobs collage quilt. I thought I'd share with you. They're actually a bunch of little things I'm for additions between other elements and that. I'm getting really close to putting them all on the background and see if I need a lot more or if I'm close to being done. I don't actually really know. I've just been making these things. So today I have a few more of those folded over shapes that I was making. I showed last time. These were in pink with some motifs that I like. The music one, you might not know this about me, but when I was younger I took some piano lessons and I played violin for 4 years. I haven't in a very long time, but that's why the music symbol. Okay, there's those. Now I just finished this yesterday. It's become one of my favorites. It's cross stitch, my initials, Benita Skinner, in cross stitch. I added the heart and then this dot and dash thing around the edge. Just added such a beautiful charm to this little piece, so I'm very pleased with it. I've got it on a round little doily. That's what the edging is. Now for fun, I had this gauzy pink dotted fabric. I used some of it to make some of my shabby roses. Anyways, I took a strip of it and made a bow, and I thought that'll be a fun addition to the Bits and Bobs blocks too. And then I have these two rosettes that I've made. The pink one with this grosgrain, and this I used rickrack. I have a tutorial for these on my under embellishments playlist, but also if you look back in some of my videos, it'll be there. And these are also to add to the piece. And I have this little hexagon floral thing, and I copied this because I liked it so much. I had used it. This is an example that I made for my Let's Play 2025 free block of the month. I just wanted to just give you a visual example of what I had in mind. I'm going to give 2 colors at the beginning of each month, and I'm encouraging you to play in those colors and make whatever little piece you want to make. Mine are going to be collagey like this, and on this one I did the little hexagon floral thing there, and then yeah, so I made a blue and pink version for the Bits and Bobs. There's a couple of videos with the introduction about this also on my channel. And this is another, I love this. I had this working on these pieces has made me look at my fabrics differently, and I discovered that I had this Delft blue windmill fabric, that it was different, and I didn't want to use it in my piece, but adding them as tiles to this background, just it made a whole new lovely piece. I love Delft blue. And then the final one for today, I just finished this one yesterday too. You might have seen on my social media that I've been working on this crochet butterfly. First I had to learn how to stretch it, and then I had to figure out how I wanted to embellish it. And it's a fine balance, because this crochet butterfly was just beautiful on its own, but a little too plain for what I was looking for. So I actually did some things on here stitching that turned out to be quite, in my opinion, ugly. So I took it out and changed it a bit, and now I'm very pleased with how it turned out. And then this trim just suits this so much. I was just so pleased. It was the right color, and it just, even the loopiness matched the butterfly. And when I attach it to the background, I'm planning on putting like a running stitch in dark blue around the edge. All right, that's it for now. I'll keep you updated how I go with putting it together. You will for sure see it when it's together. The bits and bobs. I've got a few more elements I'm currently working on, but past that I'm not really sure because I need to see how it all fits together. All right, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, or yeah, comment away if you like. Thanks. Bye.